Today I'm going to explain question set 20. There are 5 questions. The first question is find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. So to get the answer for this, we have to use the inner join query. So I'm going to use the database, exam marks database. The query is count number from student exam mark record table inner join the exam term table on. So join these two tables using student exam mark record exam term id equals exam term dot term id, and again inner join with the subject because we need the subject as well on student exam mark record subject id equals subject dot subject id where term name equals first term and subject name equals science. So the answer is 8. 8 people, 8 students in the first term did the science subject. So the second question is, what is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? So to get the minimum score, we can use the minimum keyword. So minimum mark from student exam mark record inner join with the exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam underscore term id equal exam term table id where term name equals first term. 10.5. The answer is 10.5. The next question is find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. So select count number of students, student index number from student exam mark record inner join exam term on student term id equals exam term or term id inner join subject on student exam mark record equals subject the subject id where term name equals the second term and the subject is mathematics and subject name equals mathematics. I have to guess give the subject name, subject ID here. The answer is 8. The next question is, which subject got the lowest mark in the first term? So to get the answer for this, first we have to write subqueries. Select subject name from the subject table, whereas subject ID in here we have to write another select query. Select subject ID from student exam mark record table, inner join, where mark, and again in here we have to write another subquery in select minimum mark from student exam mark record, where in a join exam term on student subject ID equals exam student exam mark record dot exam ID equals exam term dot term ID, where term name equals first term. So we get the answer. The answer is science subject. So in here, first I select subject name from the subject table, and to get the subject ID we write a subquery. So select subject ID from the student exam mark record, where, and again to get the marks we are writing another subquery. So select minimum mark, so select the minimum mark from student exam mark records, do a inner join on bind these tables using student exam mark record dot exam ID equals exam term ID, where the first term name is first term. So this is the answer. The answer is science. The fifth one is, find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all subjects in the first term. So we have to find the student first name and last name from student, where index number we have to write a subquery. Select student underscore index number from student exam mark record, where mark in select minimum marks from student exam mark record, in a join exam term on student exam mark record dot term id equals term id. Term id where in the first term the sub term name equals first term. The student is Kasun Rajamantri. So in here also, same as the one I wrote previously, select the first name and the last name from the students, because it asks find the name of the student, so you get the first name and the last name from the student. And to get the index number, we are writing a subquery, select the index number from the student exam mark records where from mark, so where mark, so we have to get the minimum mark. To get the minimum mark, we are writing another subquery, select minimum marks from student exam mark records and join with the using the inner join and inner join exam term, and bind these two tables using student exam mark record dot term id equals term table term id, and where the term name equals first name. And when we execute this query, we will get the answer Kasun Rajamantri. So this is all for question set 20. Thank you for watching.